How is sound produced and propagated? How light produced and how it travels?
Polyphony became increasingly elaborate throughout the 14th century with highly independent voices.
Man has always wanted to extend his activities past sunset. Fire was his first artificial light, but it was difficult to transport. Then came grease lamps, gouged out of soft rock. These allowed the first artist to go deep within caves. Each new form of light marked an era. The grease lamp that must be regularly refilled, the candle that drips on one's fingers, the kerosene lamp, smelly and dangerous, until around 1900, the arrival of magical electricity as bright as daylight. Light has long been considered divine. If we go by our cultural references, the Greeks were the first to study it, for it was closely linked to vision. The mathematician Euclid had the brilliant idea to represent it by thin rectilinear threads, luminous rays. He believed that the eye sent out rays to strike objects, which allowed them to be seen. Civilizations disappear, but libraries remain.
Sound recording and reproduction is an electrical or mechanical inscription and recreation of sound waves, such as spoken voice, singing, instrumental music, or sound